Well, for March day 27, Ghana Premier League, Krobia Sante Kotoko versus Samates Ebaso Ewo Babayara Sports Stadium. What are the stakes? Kumasi Asante Kotoko stand a slightest chance to win this particular game based on facts and records on the ground. In recent games, the two teams here, boy, Omukra 3 games in 2022. Yes, last 3 games, no. Kotoko, we need 2, and a Samates, I share Barco. Samates, recently, and the first round, Obeka is Omoko. Kotoko call Samates, Eko lose by a goal to Ne Ewo Samara boy in the first leg of this particular league game. But currently, Kumasi Asante Kotoko language is somewhere around 12 on the league log. But Samates on the league leaders. He's coming into this game leading the Ghana Premier League. Now, in the last 6 games, our bono, Okra winning streak, our winning the last 6 games, Odira gave me. But Kumasi Asante Kotoko, on the other hand, no, in the last 7 games, no, untimi winning baako. Right in the last 9 Premier League games, wabo draw baako, and to say record no enye kra de aka nyina akoye lose na wawini baako. That's the factor on Kumasi Asante Kotoko no so edira this particular game. Kumasi Asante Kotoko last game boy munim say on the Dreams FC away and lose by 2-0 against Dreams FC on also or struggle. But Samates on the other hand no Clubber in the last game boy no or say Brekum Chelsea 3-2. And no misspeaking of the fact say both teams in our last games or mabo you know concede the Samates even though say winning the games no winning the games in the last 6 games was share, but also in the last games are also about any game you obiano or concede a goal. So and then it is expected say obe concede or baba yara sports stadium coach Nuruddin and then call for omani address on Major League no Nations FC and a time to say ne sa utimi wini or extend ne tally no, but sa olusua let us Nations ekosha na Nations a closely gab on him with 2 points and only there ewoho. Kumasi Asante Kotoko back into this particular game with renewed energy. Yes, because Omashia team ra utum for or say to apparently washo modern bibia fine. Apparently as a coach ni players were problem ni na sorted. Kotoko injury situation, you know, I'm told say goalkeeper a friend Frederick Asare there to say no what no Richmond Lamptey and Sheriff Mohammed mo Chedra Manamo out and no information kakra.